Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 23, and I have a story to read to you today called Fox and His Friends. When Fox got home from school, Mom had a surprise for him. This afternoon, you must take care of Louise, she said. You're joking, said Fox. I'm going swimming with my friends. Then you will have to take Louise, said Mom. No, said Fox. Mom gave him a serious look. You will take Louise, she said. Get your suit, Louise, said Fox. Okay, said Louise. At the pool, Fox met his friends, Dexter, Carmen, and Junior. Hi, said Fox. Who's the girl? Said Carmen. My sister, said Fox. Last one into the pool is the monkey's uncle, said Dexter, and everyone ran for the pool. Soon everyone was having a lot of fun. This is wild, said Fox, and everyone agreed. Who will jump from the high board? Said Dexter. Not I, said Carmen. Not I, said Junior. I don't like high places, said Fox. Where's your sister? Asked Carmen. Oh, said Fox. How did she get up there? Asked Dexter. We weren't watching, said Carmen. Come down right now, said Fox. Come and get me, said Louise. You'll be sorry when I do, said Fox. Fox climbed up the ladder. I don't like this at all, he said. He felt his knees began to shake. Don't look down, said Dexter. But when Fox got up to the top, Louise was not there. Oh, said Fox. He felt all funny inside. Go on and jump, said Dexter. Your sister did it, said Carmen. Jump, said Junior and Louise. Everyone is watching, said Fox. It's now or never, said Fox. He closed his eyes and he jumped. Fox hit with a big splash. Hooray for Fox, everyone cried. What a fine jump! Louise, said Fox, I need to speak to you alone. Oh, said Louise. That is our story for today. Boys and girls, today we're going to learn about the color black. In your packet, you have a picture of Spot the dog. If you have paint at home, what you can do is you can take your finger, dip it in the paint, and then give Spot the dog black spots. If you have a black ink pad, you could do the same thing, dip your finger in the ink pad, and then give him black spots all over. Or if you have a black crayon or marker, you could color black spots on Spot the dog. You also have a picture to help us remember and know the number 8. You're going to look at each square. The directions say, color every space that has 8 on it red. So you're going to look at each square. If it has an 8, you're going to color it red. Color every space that has a 3 on it yellow. So if it has a 3 like this one here, you color it yellow. Have a good day, friends. I can't wait to see your good work.